Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Overwatch 2 playing now not launching problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to turn off the programs and antivirus programs that we do not use except Overwatch. We should turn off mouse, keyboard programs and FPS booster programs, especially Logitech, Razer. First we must turn off or stop the antivirus programs. The antivirus program on your computer can be found in the hidden icons at the bottom right. When we right-click on the antivirus program, a menu opens. I can turn it off from Avast Shield Control. The menu that opens when you right-click changes from program to program, but you can find it easily. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift and ESC. Right-click on all programs you know what they do, except Overwatch and battlenet, and click End Task. Yes, this was our first solution. Now we move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to repair the missing and faulty files of the game. For this, we open the battlenet. Click on the options next to the Overwatch 2 play button. Click on Scan and Repair. And click Begin Scan. The scan may take longer or shorter depending on your computer. After the scan is finished, we click on the update text that appears. In this way, old files are replaced with new files. Finally, after everything is completed, you can enter the game and check if the error is fixed. Our third solution is to clear battlenet cache files. First of all, we are closing the battlenet. Then we open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Shift and ESC. Among the applications here, we right-click on all the programs belonging to battlenet and Overwatch and click End Task. In this way, we close the battlenet completely. We close the Task Manager. Press Windows and R key. In the small window that opens, we write %appdata% and click OK. Cache files of applications are available in this window. We are deleting the battlenet and Blizzard Entertainment folders only. Now we open the battlenet launcher again. As you can see, it says Install instead of Play. Here we click on Locate the game under Install. In the window that opens, we find the folder where the game is installed and click on the Select folder. After selecting it, we click on the update that comes out. After the update is finished, I'm launching the game. And as you can see, Overwatch works without any problems. Our fourth solution is to enter the game with its X file instead of the launcher. First, we open the battlenet. But we do not click play here. Right-click on the Overwatch application on our desktop. Click on Open File Location. We are in the folder where the game is installed. Click on Retail folder. Right-click the Overwatch.exe application here and click Run this program as administrator. Now the game is opening, as you can see on the battlenet. After entering our battlenet email and password, we can log into the game. This was the fourth solution. Our fifth solution is to change servers. If you still can't enter the game after trying these 4 solutions, This may be caused by the servers. That's why we're open the battlenet. Click on the world icon next to Overwatch 2. Here, the region we used before is selected. Click on one of the other two options here. As you can see, the region part has changed. Now we can enter the game. This was our fifth and final solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.